Hey kiddos, I thought it would be fun, since we missed a couple of our field trips this year, I thought it'd be fun to plan a virtual field trip to none other than Disney World in Orlando, Florida. So check it out. We are going to plan this vacation and you're going to be gone for 3 days. So you have to look the directions closely. So here's going to be the directions, and you have a budget, and a budget means it's how much you're allowed to spend. So you can be under your budget. If you're under your budget, then you have a couple extra dollars for spending money. You can buy some souvenirs, things like that. If you go over your budget, well, let's just say you can't go over your budget because you don't have the money. Maybe you'll get stuck washing the dishes or cleaning the bathrooms at Disney if you go over your budget because you can't get home. Who knows? But let's just say don't go over your budget. So your budget is $1,100. Holy cow, that's quite a bit. Good luck and have fun with this. But let's check it out. So let's see if I can get that focusing a little bit better. All right, so let's start. You're going to need a blank piece of paper, and at the top of your paper you're going to write budget. Your budget is $1,100. All right, the first thing is traveling plans. How are you going to get there? Are you going to take an airplane? So if you take an airplane, it's going to be $226, and that's round trip. So these prices are round trip. Or if you drive, your price is going to be, let's say, $93. So you get to pick, and your budget is just for you. Of course, like if however many people you'd have in your family, that'd be for like your total budget, but this one is going to be just for you. So let's just pretend this budget is just for you. So how do you want to get to Orlando, Florida? Do you want to take an airplane, or do you want to do a road trip? Right, whatever you pick on your notebook, you're going to write however it was. So did you do $226 or $93? I'm just going to put a $sign and blank here since you're going to choose your own. All right, our next one is hotel accommodations. So on my notebook, I'm going to write hotel. I'm not going to write accommodations because it doesn't matter. All right, so your choices are, you could stay, let's look at the directions first. You can stay in the same place or different places each night. You will be there for 3 nights total. Okay, so you can go to the Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge for $128 a night. You could go to the Disney Wilderness Lodge for $135 a night. You could go to the Disney All-Star Movie Resort for $118 a night. Or you could stay at a hotel, not at Disney, but close by, for $96 a night. So you get to do 3. So remember, you have 3 different nights. So you could pick, if you do 3 nights at Disney Animal Kingdom Lodge, you do 128 plus 128 plus 128. Or if you wanted to do 3 different nights, let's say you want to do 128 plus Disney Wilderness Lodge for 135, but then you want to try and save a little bit of money, so you go to the hotel not at Disney and you do for 96. So you'll have to pick 3 different ones. So let's say over here in your hotel, you're going to do whatever you choose plus whatever you choose plus whatever you choose. So you're going to need to have a total of that. So you'll have to add up those 3 numbers of whatever you choose. Put my $sign there. Okay. All right. So then let's go to the park tickets. Let me go back to my notebook. Park tickets. Let's look at the directions on this one. All right. You can go to 1 park a day. You can go to the same park more than once if you'd like, but you have to buy a new ticket each day. So remember, you're going for 3 days. So you can go to Epcot for $116 a day. You can go to Animal Kingdom for $116 a day. You can go to Magic Kingdom for $123 a day. You can go to Hollywood Studios for $116 a day. You could go to Blizzard Beach Water Park for $59 a day. Or you can go to Typhoon Lake Water Park for $59 a day. Is that right? Yeah, they both say 59. All right, so you're going to pick 3 different ones of that. So you'll pick 1, 2, 3, and you get to pick. But then you're going to need to total those up so you know how much money you spent on tickets. Okay. All right. And then the last one, food. Yum. You need to eat all 3 meals every day you are on vacation because you're going to be walking a lot and spending a lot of energy. You need your nourishment. Ow. Ow. All right. So food, you could do Disney dining plan, which is all 3 meals is $21 a day. Or you could do the Disney Dining Plan Deluxe, all 3 meals plus 2 snacks for $27 a day. So you could do, let's go, food down here at the bottom. So remember, we're going to do, you could do either $21 or $27. Okay, so you pick. And then again, you're going to need to do your total. All right. So once you've picked all of your things that you need for this and totaled them up, we're going to go to the next page. And this is where you're going to put your totals in. And this is just a blank page what you're doing on your notebook. So this would be like your travel plans. So how much did you spend getting there? What was your total? So that was your car or the plane ticket. And then your hotel accommodations, what was your total? Your park tickets, what was your total? And your food, what was your total? So you can come up with your grand total to see if you stayed in your budget or if you have a little bit of spending money. So you're going to take all of your totals. So this total from your travel plans, this total from your hotel, this total from your park tickets, and this total from your food to see how, and you're going to add all those together. So remember, you can put it together as your hundreds and your tens and your ones. You can do it, drawing with base tens. So the hundreds are squares, your tens are the long sticks, ones are circles. You could do open number line. There's lots of strategies you could use to get yourself there. But you want to try and find out what your grand total is to see how much money you spent. And hopefully you're under $1,100, so you can have a little bit of spending money to buy some souvenirs or maybe some extra treats. If you went over, then you're going to need to go back and see where you might be able to save a little bit of money. So maybe you need to go to a cheaper park, or maybe you need to spend a little less money on food, or maybe you need to go to a different hotel for a night to save a little bit of money. All right, you guys, have fun planning this virtual field trip, and let's see where your imagination takes you. Go Mickey!